Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Brandy, aka Mama Vapes and Diamond Paints. I have a couple little things to unbox for you guys today. So I'm gonna start with this little package, because I know what's in here, and it is actually just one of my favorites, the Patty Wax. Super sticky Patty Wax, which I love, and I got two of them in Halloween stuff because I love Halloween. So this one says witch, and it's like glittery, that's super cute, and then the spider legs, which is kind of cool. And I don't think I have any that say PW on the back of them for Patty Wax. I haven't had any of those. So there's two of the super sticky Patty Wax in the little collectible tins, and these you don't pick, you just get what you pick from. Like she had one that was all for spiders or old labels or something like that, and this was a different one, and you just pick whatever thing, and you get whatever they pick for you. And I've never had one that I haven't liked so far. Then I also got a little tiny sample of pumpkin crunch cake, and y'all, oh my gosh, I can't eat pumpkin anything anymore since I was pregnant with my son, and he's 26. However, I love the smells. Those are my favorite, like candles and all that. And then she always sends you, oh my gosh, it's one of my favorite movies. She always sends you some stickers, and I always love the stickers I've gotten from her. And then they give you a note. It tells you thank you for coming back, and it tells you, all the stuff. And then they always sign it. They always personalize it. And hi, Brandy, thank you for your order. Enjoy your new tins. Ben. And Ben, I will. And then I got a little gift in here, and it's Kitty House It. And I have never seen this, so I have no idea what it is. But thank you guys. I love my tins. I love my Halloween tins. And I got a candy. It's an eyeball. So yay for that. And then this, I know who it's from, but I don't know what it is. I haven't ordered anything in a little while from her. So I'm not 100% sure what she sent me. But I can already tell you I love everything that she makes. She's insanely talented. Every time I tell her she's so talented, she always tells me she's still learning and she doesn't really know what she's doing yet, which I think is crazy because she is, like I said, I think she's just ridiculously talented. So I have unboxed the other stuff on my channel before when I've ordered from her prior. She also has a YouTube channel. I'll link all that. She says, here is a one-of-a-kind cover reminder just for you. Enjoy your drills and chills. I do not do Halloween. I am a scaredy cat. She's so cute. I just pass out candy. Love, Brooke, aka the hot mess. Oh my gosh, I love her. And look at how cute. She sent me these really cute Halloween stickers with a bat on a moon and a skull. And she is the one who did my, I'll show you. I have them right here on my desk. They're always on my desk. I never take them off. She did the resin pieces that I had unboxed. I'll link the video, but I'll also link all her stuff. And she has an Etsy store, and she's incredible. I mean, incredible. Not just her work, because I think her work is just beautiful. I really love her stuff. I really, really do. But she's also just a great person. I love talking to her. She's so sweet. Oh my God, Brooke. This is beautiful. Holy crap. It looks like there are flowers all put into his, I don't know if you guys can see that really well or not. Do you guys see how pretty that is? Those look like flowers. I mean, they just are, this is gorgeous. And down in here, good grief, woman. You are amazing. That is beautiful. Wow, 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 Brooke. Gorgeous, gorgeous. This is so pretty. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love it. But I just adore you to pieces, Brooke. Thank you so, so, so much. So much. That is just adorable and so stinking thoughtful for you to do that. And you do know I love my Halloween. Then I'm gonna open these. I didn't even know they were coming. I ordered them off AliExpress like 2 weeks ago. I'll make sure I leave all the details in the description for you of when I ordered it. It wasn't that long ago. They were very recently, and I paid $11.17 for both of them. And they are these really cute little special drill diamond paintings. They're not very big. Like I said, I didn't even pay $11.17 for both of them. So I didn't even pay $12 for both of them together. So they're really super simple little guys, but they're very cute. And I told you after I did my my elephant one that I fell in love with these little tiny special drill diamond paintings. So and the canvases are supposed to be 30 by 30s, but you know, it's not. And it's a special drill and it's a partial, so it's not going to be full. So I got him. I got a rooster. I have a fondness for a lot of different animals. Roosters are really cool, like these little, you know, paintings and stuff that you see. I like them. I just think they're cute. So I thought he would be really cute in a special drill. So, it's very sticky. It does look like that it's done really well. It's not like over the lines or anything, so it looks like it will be really cool to, you know, you won't have to deal with it having glue everywhere or even far over the line, because it's just literally where it's supposed to be drilled. And he's very colorful. He's got a lot of pretty colors in him. The canvas does have a little bit of a sheen to it. I don't know if you can really see that it has a little tiny bit of glitter to it. And it's, you know, like a solid canvas. It's kind of stiff, but it's not like really hard or rigid or anything. It's just like a thicker, solid canvas. So I feel like it will come out. Again, my whole trick with not my trick, because I got my trick from learning from all y'all really smart people, putting my canvases under the mattress inside my spare room. So that way it can flatten out really good and not have any creasing. But it doesn't even look like it's going to be that bad if you look at it. I've had canvases way worse than this, so I don't think it's going to be problematic at all. And it has 7 color slash drill special drills in it. And we're going to take a look at what I got. Oh, I should have showed you the toolkit first. I got excited. Got a green boat, a little plate of wax. It looks like one baggie and a pink pen. So nothing fancy, but for, you know, $5 and change, I wasn't looking for anything fancy. I was just looking for something for, you know, in between, or when I'm, you know, not working on a bigger canvas, or when I am working on a bigger canvas and I just want to get a little bit of a break. Something like that. So that's all this is. So, alrighty, we have got this reddish, pinky colored, like teardrop shape, and then right next to it, there's only a few of those. Right next to it is like a clear one. We have some like royal blue ABs that are really, really pretty. Red crystals, like a really vibrant red. Like these have some pinks and fuchsia almost looking in them, and these are like red. And pink crystals. And then lighter blue crystals. And this, these are almost like a pinkish peach colored crystal. I don't think I've ever seen those before. Those are really pretty. So yay, that's really cool. Oh, speaking of crystals, Crystal Canvas got their new website up and running today, and I was waiting on a canvas that I wanted really, really bad from them, like really bad, and I can't wait to show you guys what I got when the website went up today. I'm really excited. And then I ordered this one because I was just really fell in love with this image. So again, same exact toolkit, 2 little baggies, a plate of wax, a green boat, and a pink pen. I have a collection of those generic little toolkits I need to start sending to new homes. So if anybody needs any, let me know, because I don't. And I wish I could say I had the patience of taking everything out and sending like this part to this part. No, I just want to give them to somebody and then they could do whatever they want with them. I don't want them. All right. So this image is her. And I just think it is such a beautiful image, and I had to have her. I don't know why, but it spoke to me. I love everything about it. She's got hummingbirds, which is, my husband has like a thing with hummingbirds. He's like the hummingbird whisperer. They're like attracted to his vicinity all the time, and they will literally, he could put his finger out, and a hummingbird, if they're like they get trapped in our sunroom all the time, he just walks over and he puts his finger out and they just hop on his finger and let him take them outside, and it's just so bizarre. So it's got those butterflies and a lot of flowers. I just love everything about this picture. And she's got like blue, there's like little almost blue splashes in the background. And again, it's a special drill, so not the whole thing gets drilled. And again, it's supposed to be a 30 by 30, but you know, it's a special drill and it's partial, and we know it's not. If you guys want, since they're exactly the same, I can measure at least one of them and tell you exactly what it is from. So it's 24, obviously, by 24, but we're just gonna take a look. Yeah, 24 by 24. So, and so when they say, you know, 30 by 30, they're talking about the canvas size. They're not talking about even the area where you would typically drill. So just to make you guys aware. And again, right here we have 10 symbols. So 10 colors, or, you know, shapes in this case. And we're gonna take a look at those really quick. Ooh, these are so pretty. So we have a pretty, like a marquee almost, and it's like gold color, gorgeous purple color, like a royal purple, a beautiful pink teardrop. And then we have a pretty AB like purple teardrop, and this one is so pretty. I love that one. Oh, and then we have, it's like almost identical, but in the little tiny white rounds. I wonder which one this is. I want to know where this one goes. It's really pretty. So number 6 is going to be that little. So kind of a lot of places on the canvas has that symbol sprinkled around, so that's really cool that it's going to be a little bit here and there. And then we have a pink crystal. Sorry, that's so loud. Pink crystal, a pretty green, emerald green crystal, a light blue crystal, and then we have a bright yellow. So that's what I got for you guys today. A little bit of this and a little bit of that, and all together. You know, I love both of these canvases. I really do. I will say this one's my favorite out of the canvases because it's beautiful. And then I have a fondness of Patty Wax Super Sticky, and I love everything Halloween, so obviously I kind of am obsessed, but this by far is probably my favorite item today because that is so cool looking. And very, like I said before, very, very thoughtful, Brooke, but holy crap, this is just like impressive. It looks like it's hand painted. It's just really cool. So anyhow, I will link her, I will link the Patty Wax, and I will link where I got these canvases on AliExpress. I am very happy with the canvases. They came out really good for, especially for such a, you know, for less than $12. I got 2 cool little partial canvases. So very, very happy with those. And for the price I paid, yeah. But as always, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you guys here. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon to be notified the next time I post a video. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I will do my best to answer them as soon as possible. And I hope you guys have a great day.